securing grade A, okay, in division A, that is how much? If we talking about division A, so division A how much this, okay, student securing grade A is equal to how much? That is 75%, okay, and remaining that is 25%, okay. So 75% is, this is 70, this is 75, okay. So now this is 75, okay. So this is 75% there, clear. This is 75% and that's 25%, okay. Now come to next one for the section B. For section B how much? 60% is, that is that is securing grade A, 60% securing grade A, and 40% they not secured, okay. So 40% in section B, 60% securing grade A, so 60 is here, okay. So now 60% that securing grade A, okay. Now come to the next, that is what? For section C. For section C, that is what? For section E, section C, 25% securing grade A, 75% couldn't do, remaining, okay. So 25 for section C, this is 20 and this is 25, clear. So now this 25 secured A and 75 couldn't do, okay. Same as come to for section D, there 20% they securing A and 80% couldn't, okay. So 20% securing A, this is 20%, okay. This secured A, grade A, and 80% couldn't do, clear. So this was your completing, this was what? Percentage graph. Percentage graph, clear. Now so it's completed. Now you come to second question, okay. Now you have to do second question, that is second question. Observe the following graph and answer the question. You have to observe the graph and then you have to answer the question. What is graph? So this graph is given in your question, you can see the graph, okay. Then also I am making here graph for the second question, okay. Second question, there is the graph I am making, there is the graph, because you have to make understand, so it is necessary that I make the graph, okay. So I am making the it very clear. This is who? That is Ajita, okay. So here is what? Scale is given, scale on y-axis. What is the scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 10% production. 1 centimeter is equal to 10% production. Okay, and production of tool, this is represented at production of tool. And this is what? Production of gram. Okay, production of gram. Now, this is what? And this is graph of Ajita. Okay, one more graph is the of yes. Okay, one more of the Ravi and one more of the Sudha. Clear? These are what? These are farmers. Okay. Now, this is what written here. It is percentage production in farming. Okay. So this is what? Percentage production farm. Clear? Okay. So percentage production in farm. Clear? खेत में परसेंटेज प्रोडक्शन. सो दैट इज हियर अजिता का, यश का, रवि का एंड सुधा का. नाउ इट इज shown here. So Ajita score is that is going for how much? 100. Okay. So here on 1 centimeter is equal to 10% production. So here it is should be what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Clear? So now this is the this is Ajita. So actually it is percentage. So maximum of the each have the maximum. Okay, each have the maximum percentage of there. Okay, and maximum that is what? 100. Clear? So each have 100. Same as for the Ravi also, because this graph is in the percentage form. Clear? Same as Ajita, Yash, Ravi and Sudha. Clear? So this is there. Now on 60 for the Ajita there is on the 60. For the yes, there is on the 50. For the Ravi, this is on the 70. For Sudha, this is on the 40. Clear? This is on the dot with the dotted line. Here I made very fast this graph because already it is given, but what is happening that I have to make you understand. That is the reason that I made this, constructed this graph. Clear? Okay, so I think you understand what I want to say. Now you come to the first question. Second first question is there. So what is the second first question? That second first question. Okay, state the type of the bar graph. Okay, this is the type of the bar graph. Actually, these are the type of the bar graph. And which type of the bar graph? This is percentage bar graph. Okay, so first is what?